Hello everyone, my name is Lydia and I am here today to tell you a little bit about some of my houseplants. Cool, right? So the first plant is the Neanthobella palm, also known as a good luck palm. The scientific name for this guy is Chamaedorea elegans. Chamaedorea comes from two Greek words, chamai, and dorea, which means on the ground gifts, which this plant, when grown in the wild, it grows fruit and it's low to the ground. So on the ground gifts is what that name means. So this plant can grow to be about 4 feet tall. And as you can see here, mine is a little guy. It's just a baby, so it has a lot more growing to do. But with enough indirect sunlight and a drink of water every 7 to 10 days, over time this plant can grow to be 4 feet tall. Next, I have a pothos plant. Look at the pretty leaves on the pothos plant. They're stripy and they're green with some yellow stripy spots. This plant can also be called devil's ivy. Spooky. The scientific name is Epiprinum aurum. It's from the islands of French Polynesia, and it does best in subtropical or tropical climates. Now you might be saying, Lydia, we live in the high desert. Isn't that plant in the wrong place? Well, yes, but I keep my pothos plant in the bathroom near the shower. That way it has enough humidity to thrive and to be healthy and to grow. Now this plant is also kind of a baby, even though it has some big leaves. This plant is really viney, so if I put it on this rock wall behind me, this plant can grow up the rock wall and it hooks in with just little growths off of the stems like that, so it can hang on to the wall. Now these can grow many feet long, some 20, 30 feet or more, depending on how much space you give it to grow. Now the last plant that I'm going to show you is called the trailing elephant bush. This plant is a succulent from South Africa. Its scientific name is Portulacaria afra. In the language Afrikaan, they call it speckboom. Research has shown that this plant is called a carbon sponge because it takes more carbon out of the air than most other plants, meaning cleaner air for us to breathe. This plant is also edible, and in Africa, sometimes they put it in salads. Crazy, right? And because it is such a delicious plant, it is known to be the favorite food of tortoises and elephants. These are just 3 of my houseplants. I have many more, but I just wanted to tell you guys a little bit about my plants, and I hope you enjoyed this video and that you learned a little something. I will see you all again in another video. Bye.